Earth, our home planet, is a world unlike any other. Earth is the only place in the known universe confirmed to host life. Simple thing you can do to help protect the Earth. Number 1. Plant trees. Trees provide food and oxygen. They help save energy, clean the air, and help combat climate change. Number 2. Conserve water. The less water you use, the less runoff and wastewater that eventually end up in the ocean. Number 3. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Cut down on what you throw away. Follow the 3R. Conserve natural resources and landfill space. Number 4. Volunteer. Volunteer for cleanups in your community. You can get involved in protecting your watershed too.